Howdy, viewers from the one and only Islands of Adventure for another Jurassic World Velocicoaster update. The new Intamin roller coaster coming this summer at Islands of Adventure Universal Studios, seen right behind me. Today is a good update because there's rumored to be some pathways open that haven't been opened before. So we're gonna get all new views of this ride that we've never seen before. We'll have a lot of testing footage from all over the ride, the front half, the back half, and the bridge. Everything that you can imagine, hopefully we'll be seeing in this video. So it's gonna be a long one, and there'll be a lot of exciting footage. I can't wait to see it. So Harry Potter's straight ahead, but if you turn to the left, you can see the bypass bridge is open today because of high crowds. So we'll get all new angles of this ride going all around us in 360 degrees around us. It's gonna be pretty incredible.
Like angled just enough away. Oh, you guys are gonna get
Here's the problem.
and if you've already got a wand,
So here we go after a day of waiting. Finally, the first train from the bridge. Here it comes. Oh, thank you.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, of course. Some really incredible angles here. I mean, there's like nowhere else in the world you can stand like this on a bridge with water on both sides and the coaster just going around you 360 degrees. It's absolutely amazing. I love it as another train goes around here. I'm going to transition into some night footage now, just so you can see some of the lighting package and how the lights react to the train at the end brake run. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it so much. And until next time, see ya. Entrance of the ride straight ahead. You can see how the light kind of changes in a pattern as you walk into the entrance of this ride.